16 Seasons Chess, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 10 by 10 board with the 4 center squares marked. On the bottom left first row, set up the blue pieces from left to right: king, rook, bishop, frog. Second row, rook, queen, empty, knight. Third row, bishop, empty, Alibaba, elephant. Fourth row, frog, knight, elephant. Mirror this setup for the 3 other players in the other corners. The elephant jumps exactly 2 spaces diagonally over any piece in the way. The frog jumps exactly 2 spaces horizontally or vertically over any piece in the way. The Alibaba has the combined moves of the elephant and frog. The blue player goes first, then play proceeds counterclockwise. You are not allowed to double-step move, en passant, or castle. The center 4 squares of the board are called the United Nations Protectorate. Pieces in the Protectorate may not be captured, nor can those pieces capture other pieces when moving from the Protectorate. A piece may not perform a capturing move if it slides through or jumps over a Protectorate square. Kings are not threatened through the Protectorate. Kings may not enter the Protectorate. While a piece is in the Protectorate, it gains the ability that it may move to any other vacant square in the Protectorate. This allows pieces to change colors they would normally be bounded to. A player is checkmated when their king is threatened by the player about to move. When you are checkmated, you lose and your pieces are removed from the board. Then the checkmating player makes a move. The last player remaining wins.